Hello everybody, today we'll be going through the assembly and connection of a new robot called Transistorized line following robot. Now this robot is a very simple line following robot which does not use any microcontroller or programming for line following. It just uses transistors to do so. Now let's see the kit content. Now if you can see over here, this comes in a nicely sealed packet. This contains electronics for the board, which are the transistors line following board and the two sensors. Then we have BO motors and BOVs for motion control. We have a nicely cut acrylic chassis for robot building. Also we have screws, nuts and spacers required for mechanical assembly. Then we have CD, which contains the documentation and the videos of assembly and connection. Now this is basically the kit content. Now let's see the electronic parts individually. This is the line following board which we are using. If you can see, it's a very small board, but it does the work wonderfully. It has two PTI connectors which are used for motor connections. The part over here is for sensor connections. If you can see over here, there are minus, plus and D inscribed on it, which means that you have to connect your sensors ground, positive and the data terminal over here. This section is for the motor control part. If you can see over here, we have two switches provided. This switch is for the power on and off, and this is for motor on and off. So basically this is a very small board which does the work of line following, but without using any microcontrollers. Once assembled, this board looks something like this, with all the acrylic chassis built, wheels and motors connected and sensors installed. So basically this is how the transistor line follow board will look like.